Application of Zigbee technology in smart street lighting system. Today, we are going to introduce a communication technology called Zigbee, which is revolutionizing our urban lighting system. Zigbee, a mature communication technology focused on low-power devices. Unlike traditional Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, Zigbee creates a mesh network, eliminating the need for a centralized hub. The power of Zigbee lies in its low energy consumption, making it ideal for battery-powered devices. For example, in smart street lighting systems, Zigbee not only reduces maintenance costs but also extends battery life. Let's take a look at the highlights of Zigbee in smart street lighting applications. Simple setup. Since no central hub is required, installation is fast and uncomplicated. Cost effectiveness. The maturity of Zigbee technology makes components easily available and reasonably priced. Short distance transmission. In dense urban environments, Zigbee ensures smooth transmission of data within the network. Our product JL26CG rotary lock intelligent light control switch is equipped with a Zigbee communication module. When used with the JL25CZ subcontroller, it can be remotely controlled through the M9900 smart light pole management system. It is suitable for a variety of scenarios, including municipal roads, park lighting, landscape lighting, etc., and supports cloud control and self-control mode. LongJoin make lighting smarter and life better. Welcome to communicate and cooperate with us.